Good morning students. How are you all? I hope all are good. Dear students, today we are going to study an interesting chapter. Okay, adaptations in animals. Adaptations in animals. Dear students, we already know a wide variety of animals lives on earth. Wide variety means many kind of alag tara, different type of animals are there. So students, these various type of animals, बहुत सारे animals, small animals are there, big type of animals are there, then many type of insects are there, जो छोटे छोटे कीड़ा type animals. Okay students, okay. Then in previous classes we learned herbivorous animals are there, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. Now students, let us divide these animals. Terrestrial animals and aquatic animals. Terrestrial animals means animals lives on land. Animals live on land. जो जमीन में रहता है उसको बोलते हैं terrestrial, land area में. Okay students, what are the examples? Many examples are there. See, cats, tiger, then ants. See, wild animals, lion, cheetah, tiger, wild buffalo, wild cow. Domestic animals, हमारा घर पे जो है cow, buffalo, cat है pet animal. Okay students, many मुर्गियाँ, hen. Okay, many type of animals are there. Now, aquatic animals. Okay, animals lives in the water. Animals live in the water. जो पानी में रहता है, water. Okay, जो पानी में रहता है. See, fish. Whales are there. Big type of whales are there. No, you know about that whales. Shark. Many type of fishes are there, especially in ocean area. Okay, so then octopus. We already learned about the octopus in जीके में हमने पढ़ा था ऑक्टोपस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन क्रोकोडाइल, क्रैब्स, डॉल्फिन्स, मेनी टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स आर देयर. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस लर्न व्हाट इज habitat of the animals. Habitat, okay, वासस्थान, natural home of animals. Habitat means natural home of animals. I will tell you an example. See, जंगली एरिया, forest area. So wild animals are living in the forest area. जो forest area है वो ये उसका habitat. Understand students? Then water animals, they are living in the ponds, rivers, oceans. So जहाँ जो रहता है वो ये उसका habitat. Understand students? So water animal, fish का जो habitat क्या है? जहाँ रहता है वो पानी एरिया, water area, ocean area, ponds है, छोटे छोटे जो ponds है. Okay students? Otherwise rivers है. ओके, वो ये habitat, बस नेचुरल होम जो प्रकृति दिया हुआ है, जहाँ वो पैदा हुआ वहाँ रहता है, वहाँ से उसको फूड मिलता है, वाटर मिलता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सी, प्लेस विच प्रोवाइड्स द विथ फूड एंड वाटर, सो दे आर गेटिंग फूड एंड वाटर फ्रॉम देयर हैबिटेट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो जो जंगली एनिमल्स, फॉरेस्ट एनिमल्स आर गेटिंग फूड फ्रॉम trees. Okay, those trees in the forest area. Understand? Carnivorous getting animals from there. Okay, now environment that they need to live and multiply. Environment that they need to multiply means जो पैदा होता है बहुत सारे बच्चे आता है. See, when you watch on TV, so जो forest area, understand? Discovery channel में आपको देखना है, thousands of animals are there, especially in grasslands. Okay, thousands of zebras, wild buffalo, wild cows. Okay, then thousands of deer. Okay, so many type of herbivores are there because they get grass from grasslands. Understand students? See, environment that they need to live and multiply. इसको बीच में उसको बहुत सारे बच्चे हो सकता है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है, बहुत सारा बढ़ जाएगा. Understand students? Okay, वो ये उसका habitat. Okay, now see what are the examples of habitat. See, grasslands. Okay, so जो हिरण वगैरह, deer, zebra, wild buffalo, wild cow, they get grass from grasslands. Okay, then desert area, hot desert में बहुत सारे animals, jerboa, in previous class first chapter में हमने पढ़ा था. Okay, they need some little water. Okay, so they can able to live in the desert area. Then wet forest, जहाँ ज़्यादा rainfall मिलता है, wet rainforest, many type of animals are there. Then cold polar regions, coldest places है. Okay students, polar bears are there, penguins are there. They can live there because of their body covering. देखो body बहुत मजबूत है. They can lives on the ice में रहता है. Penguins, they can also live there. Okay, then high mountains, जहाँ ऊंचा प्लेस है, हाई माउंटेन्स में बहुत सारे एनिमल्स है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वो ही उसका हैबिटेट. सो यू गॉट इट. नाउ सी एनिमल्स ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर काइंड लिव इन ए पर्टिकुलर हैबिटेट. जो फॉरेस्ट में रहता है वो फॉरेस्ट में ही रहता है. ओके, जो पानी में रहता है वो पानी में रहता है. जो पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ हैबिटेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वन एग्जाम्पल इज देयर. A lion lives in a forest. A lion lives in a forest which has a rich growth of grass and plenty of open space. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है वो grass खाता है. No. See, they can hunt herbivores in that places. So herbivorous animals are coming in the grasslands to eat grass. So this carnivorous lion वहाँ आता है animal को पकड़ने के लिए. Understand students? So this lion need an open space to hunt animals. You can watch this in the Discovery Channel. Lion कैसे पकड़ता है, दौड़ के, है ना. This lion run after that animal, then catch that, then eat. Okay students, so lion need a open space. उसको hunt करना है animal को. Okay, grasslands. So these lions are lives around the grasslands. It cannot live in a forest which is densely covered with the trees. जो densely बहुत सारे trees है वहाँ रह नहीं सकता, उसको दौड़ना. So it is very difficult to run in between these trees. Okay, then on other hand, then monkeys are lives on the trees. वो जहाँ ज़्यादा trees है वहाँ रह सकता है. So monkeys can live in the middle of trees. Okay students, because they can jump from one tree to another. Okay students, okay. Now, why do different regions have different type of animal, different kinds of animals? So students, अलग-अलग देश में अलग-अलग जानवर, अलग-अलग animals. Polar regions, coldest places. Okay students, coldest places में polar bear can live there, penguin can live there. So they can able to live in the cold places. See, why do different regions have different types of animals? Different regions have different type of animals. See, climate conditions, temperature, because of climate conditions. Okay, कुछ animal को see we cannot live in the coldest places. So wild animals cannot live in the coldest places. They can live in the forest only. Understand students? Because of climate condition, temperature. Some places have high temperature, some have low temperature. Coldest places is there, then hot places are there. Then rainfall, some places are getting more rainfall. Okay, but desert area only little rainfall. They get only little rainfall. They can able to live there. They do not want more water. जो desert में रहता है उसको ज़्यादा पानी नहीं चाहिए. See the camel can walk in the desert. Okay, long days without water. उसको पानी नहीं चाहिए. After 40 days, 50 days, they can drink water. They can able to walk in the desert area. बहुत गर्म है उधर. Okay, because of their long limbs. Okay, body coverings. These body coverings and limbs. उसको शरीर में जो है ये सब these type of animals means camels. They are adapted with the desert area. They are suitable to live there. Understand students? So rainfall, duration of sunlight. Okay, see the climatic conditions such as temperature, rainfall and duration of sunlight vary from region to region. Okay, अलग-अलग देश में अलग-अलग तरह sunlight मिलता है, temperature ज़्यादा कम होता है. For example, the polar regions extremely cold remain covered with the ice throughout the year. पूरा साल पूरा उधर ice पड़ा हुआ है polar regions में. So students, while the sandy deserts are extremely hot during the day and night, during the day, so hot places डेजर्ट में ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम पूरा बहुत गर्म है. ओके, सो दे गेट ओनली वेरी लिटिल वाटर, वेरी लिटिल रेन. ओके, एनिमल्स लिव इन द पोलर रीजन्स. डेजर्ट्स आर polar regions and deserts are very different from each other. See, जो desert में रहता है, desert animals and coldest places polar regions में जो रहता है, they are different from each other. वो जो different है, ओके, हॉट जो हॉट प्लेस में जो रहता है उसको कोल्डेस्ट प्लेसेस में नहीं रह सकता. ओके, दे आर नॉट अडॉप्टेड विद कोल्डेस्ट प्लेसेस. दे कैन लिव इन द हॉट प्लेसेस ओनली. देन पोलर बेयर cannot live in the hot places. They cannot live in the desert. They can live in the coldest places. They can live on the ice. Okay students, then this is because animals that live in the polar regions can live only in the extremely cold condition. They can live in the extremely cold condition. Okay, I told you now. Then desert area mein they are living in the extremely hot area. They can live there. Okay, so they are adapted to live there. Then some animals such as crows and sparrows are adapted to live all over the earth. Earth में हम कहीं भी रह सकता है. Crows and sparrows, they are adapted with every places. Okay students, but we cannot. Okay, the sea snakes lives in the sea all the time. जो sea snakes है वो पानी में ही रहता है. Then it is excellent swimmer because sea snakes are excellent swimmer. They can swim in the water. Okay, and feeds on small fish and other small sea animals. Okay, छोटे छोटे जो sea animals है वही खाता है. It cannot live on land. उसको जमीन में रह नहीं सकता. Okay, but breathes air like land animals. जो air लेता है like land animals, वो ऊपर आता है from the air. They can breathe. Okay, an aquatic animal can live in water because of their body features. Now let us learn about the adaptation. See, adaptations. What is adaptations? Okay, chapter 9, adaptations in animals. The body features and habits of a living organism. Living organism is any type of animal. Okay, body feature. I will tell you an example. See the bird. They can fly in the air because of their body feature. Okay, light, उसको ज़्यादा weight नहीं है. Light body, light feathers. They can fly in the air because of their body feature. Then fishes, they can swim in the water because of their body feature. Okay, fins are there, tails are there. Understand students? Okay, okay, body feature and habits. तो जो habit होता है, so जो fishes, they take air from gills, through the gills. They are not breathing. जो fishes है, मछली है, वो breathe नहीं करता है. They can take air from gills, through the gills. Okay students, habits. Understand students? They are adapted with the water. Okay, then that help it to live in a particular place are called adaptation. Okay, adaptation means the body features and habits of a living organism that help it to live in a particular place are called. जहाँ रहता है वहाँ रहने के लिए वो adapted है, उधर वो सही है. Okay students, जो coldest place में रहता है उधर के लिए वो सही है. Polar bear coldest place के लिए सही है. जो जर्बोवा कैमल वो हॉट डेजर्ट के लिए उसका बॉडी ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. उसको हॉट प्लेसेस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बिकॉज दे आर अडॉप्टेड विद हॉट डेजर्ट. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ सी लेट अस लर्न वंस अगेन. टेरेस्ट्रियल मीन्स एनिमल्स लिव ऑन लैंड. एक्वाटिक एनिमल्स लिव इन द वाटर. हैबिटेट मीन्स नेचुरल होम ऑफ द एनिमल्स. दे आर गेटिंग वाटर and food from there, then they can multiply in that place. Okay students, then these are examples that different animals are living in different places because of climatic conditions, temperature, rainfall, then duration of sunlight. Okay students, adaptation means see the body features and habits of a living organism. Okay students, understood? You can read the chapter page number 232 233. Understand students? Okay, good.